Today, you will learn about mastering business English with ChatGPT mobile voice app from the company OpenAI. Do you feel like your career advancement is on hold because your English skills are holding you back? Have you ever sat in a meeting desperate to express yourself but struggled to find the right words in English? Meet Ethan, a rising star in his company who faces a significant challenge, mastering business English for high-stakes negotiations. His career depends on it. Ethan's last negotiation didn't go well. Sweat trickled down Ethan's back. He could feel the judgmental stares burning into him from across the table. Months of hard work hung in the balance, and it all depended on his ability to manage this crucial negotiation. But as Ethan opened his mouth to speak, the words wouldn't come. His carefully prepared notes swam before his eyes. He fumbled with words. He felt frustrated, and now he is worried about his future.
I need to improve my English. This can't happen again. I know I have the potential, the ideas, but my broken English is holding me back. I feel trapped, like I'm missing out on the biggest opportunities. How can I get better quickly?
Ethan searched for solutions online and discovered ChatGPT's mobile app, a powerful tool for practicing English in real time.
If I can practice speaking directly with ChatGPT, I can simulate real negotiations and improve my skills. I can use AI to get ahead, to optimize my practice time, and increase my productivity.
Ethan downloads the ChatGPT mobile voice app and sets up his first practice session.
Let's see how this works. I need to practice negotiating a deal. ChatGPT, help me practice a business negotiation. Pretend you are a client interested in purchasing my business analysis service. I will try to convince you to buy it. Let's start the conversation. ChatGPT, at the end of our practice session, please give me precise feedback on my phrases, vocabulary, grammar, and any words you couldn't understand or where I was unclear.
ChatGPT app is beginning the conversation.
Hello, I'm interested in your services. Can you tell me more about what you offer?
Yes, our service provides.
Ethan engages in a realistic role play, practicing his pitch and handling objections. After the conversation, Ethan reviews the transcript to identify additional areas for improvement.
I need to be clearer about our benefits. I'll make a note to practice that part more.
Ethan continues to practice with ChatGPT, improving his responses and building confidence with each session.
This is really helping. I'm getting more comfortable with the language and the flow of negotiations. ChatGPT, pretend you are a client who is objecting about the price. Let's discuss and address your concerns. ChatGPT, let's role-play a scenario where I explain the pricing and payment terms of our service. ChatGPT, help me practice closing a deal. You be the client and I'll work to get your agreement.
Ethan also uses ChatGPT to understand cultural nuances, ensuring he communicates effectively with international clients.
Understanding these cultural differences is crucial. I need to be aware of them during negotiations. ChatGPT, teach me about cultural differences in business communication between my country and South India businessmen. Provide examples of common misunderstandings and how to avoid them.
Armed with practice and knowledge, Ethan faces his next negotiation with newfound confidence.
I've prepared for this. I can do it.
Despite his practice, Ethan encounters a challenging client who tests his skills and patience.
Your proposal is too vague. I need specifics or this deal is off the table.
I understand. Let me clarify.
Ethan struggles to maintain composure and articulate his points clearly. After the meeting, he feels disheartened but determined to improve further.
I'll practice more specific scenarios and review my notes to ensure I'm prepared for any situation.
Ethan refines his practice sessions, focusing on handling difficult clients and making his proposals more detailed.
ChatGPT, pretend you are a client with very specific demands. Let's practice negotiating the details. ChatGPT, help me practice dealing with an irritable manager. You be the manager, and I'll try to handle the situation professionally.
Ethan decides to augment his practice with targeted feedback from an online tutor, focusing on his performance gaps and improvement opportunities.
This tutor can provide more specific guidance on where I need to improve. This Toastmasters is a great opportunity to challenge myself and get feedback in a low-threat environment.
Ethan uses ChatGPT to practice his Toastmasters presentations, requesting specific feedback on key points.
Practicing with ChatGPT helps me refine my speech before presenting it to the group. I have a Toastmasters presentation coming up. Let's practice it. Please give me feedback on my key points, vocabulary, and grammar.
Ethan's hard work pays off. He successfully closes the deal and gains recognition for his skills.
I did it! Practicing with ChatGPT made a huge difference.
Ethan continues to use ChatGPT for ongoing practice and shares his experience with others.
Learning never stops. I'll keep improving with ChatGPT.
Are you ready to enhance your business English skills like Ethan? Here are some prompts to get you practicing with ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, help me practice a business negotiation. Pretend you are a client interested in purchasing my service. I will try to convince you to buy it. Let's start the conversation. ChatGPT, help me practice my presentation skills. Let's pretend I'm presenting a project update to my team. ChatGPT, teach me about cultural differences in business communication between my country and the target country. ChatGPT, help me practice resolving conflicts at work. Pretend you are a coworker who disagrees with my approach to a specific work issue. ChatGPT, help me practice networking and small talk at a business event. I will start the conversation by saying, "Hi, my name is Ethan. What brings you to this event?"
Download the ChatGPT app today. Use these prompts and start practicing. Record your sessions, review the transcripts, and take notes to track your progress. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on mastering business English and professional communication skills.